Hello everyone, my name is Nguyen, and in this video I will present about my final project for the spatial database design course, which was instructed by Dr. Lucy Wang, and my topic is to design a database to store and manage the Nueces County appraisal data. And for the outline of this presentation, we will have four main sections. Section one is to introduce about the appraisal data and the purpose of this project. And the second one is to introduce about the data set used in this project. And the third one will be the geodatabase design to store the data. And the last one is to present the case studies. For the first one, the introduction, uh, it's crucial for us to know about some insight about what is appraisal data. And the appraisal data can be referred to information gathered or analyzed to determine the value of a property or asset. And this data can be used by licensed appraisers or valuation professionals to assess the value of a particular property or asset. So the primary purpose of appraisal data is to provide an accurate and objective assessment uh, of the value of a property or asset. So in this project, my purpose is to design, develop, and implement uh, the newest county appraisal database. And also, I will implement some possible analysis case studies with this data. And to the second section, the data set. In this project, I will use the newest appraisal data, which can be accessed publicly through the website of Nueces County Appraisal District. And the data used in this project is the appraisal data from the year of 2019 to 2023. And all of the data is on this website is stored in shapefile format. And for the geodatabase structure, uh, there are two main parts. We will have a feature data set, which name is newest appraisal data. And in this feature dataset, we have a partial feature class, which will contain the geographical data, which is the polygons which represent the properties, and also the text attributes of the property through the years. Also, we will have a standalone table, which will contain the quantifiable measurements for analysis. For the partial feature class, uh, this is the detailed structure and design of the partial feature class. In the first picture, as we can see, there are 17 attributes in the partial feature class, which contain a tax ID, property identification number, which is the primary key to represent the property, and also uh, some attributes to identify the characteristic of the property, like land type or state code, to represent which type of the property is this. Is this commercial or apartment uh, or farmland, etc. And also some information about the owners, such as the owner's name and the owner's address. And also we will have some domain. We will implement some domain to uh, ident to to constrain some of the attributes like land type or state code to ensure that the value input in this property is aligned with the regulatory requirements of the county. And also for the feature class, in the appraisal context, to avoid conflict of interest, is crucial to ensure that the properties may not be overlapped to the others. So to implement this rule, the topology rule must not overlap to is applied to the newest parser feature class to ensure the polygons within the feature class will not be overlapped to each other. We will have a standalone table, which I named the newest appraisal value, and this table will contain all the quantifiable measurements that can be changed over time, which is the appraised value, the assessed value, the market value, and some attributes to represent the acreage of the land of the property, and also the year in which the value is valid. And finally, for to join all the data that we have designed earlier, we will have a relationship which will join the parcel feature class to the standalone table, and we will join by the property ID of the property. Move to the case study. For the first case study, uh, I will calculate the appraised value of property over the year. Is a possible case study because the property owners and investor can make more informed decisions about buying, selling, or holding assets while armed with up-to-date appraised value. This information is crucial for optimizing real estate portfolios and adapting strategies based on the current market conditions. In this case study, we calculate the mean appraisal value of the property, or it can be the of an area. So to implement this case study, will create a bar chart and select uh, uh, the value year for the x-axis and the mean of the appraised value for the y-axis. And in this example, as we can see in this image, I have just select one parcel which represent one property, but we can also select the whole area to calculate the mean value, and this can be a valuable information for the stakeholders or analysts. For the next case study, based on the demand for the equitable appraisal of a property. So in this case study, I think it's crucial to analyze all the properties with the same characteristics with the analyzed property. So this analysis will support the assessment and the evaluation of the property to be more objective. And in this case study, I will implement the select by attributes, and in the expression we can define all the factors that we think that it might be the factors that affect to the assessment process. And in here, I choose the land acreage and also the state code and the market value uh, of all the properties. And as we can see in the right image, uh, all the properties with the same characteristic has been chosen, and the mean of appraised value is shown in the bar chart by year. And after that, the analyst can compare the interest property with the mean value to see as to see whether the properties was assessed equally to other properties. And for the last case study, I have implemented the report, which is also a functionality that they have provided in ArcGIS Pro. And this process to create the report is also transparent, which means the users can simply create a report with some simple clicks. So this report, the role of generating transparent reports in appraisal analysis is crucial because it will involve the assessment and evaluation of various factors to determine the value of an asset, property, or individual's performance. So this is my preference for the final project, and thank you for listening.